Hey there, I'm Parthsada, and through this video, I'm going to tell you about SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, along with how we can find a possible way to treat this virus.
Virus is really just a hull around genetic material and a few proteins, obviously, not even a living thing. It can only make more of itself by entering a living cell. Corona may spread via surfaces, but it's still uncertain how it spreads. Its main way of spreading seems to be from the droplet infections, that means by person to person, via coughing and direct contact through nose and mouth. The virus starts its journey from here and hatches a real stowaway deeper into the body. Its destinations are the intestines, the spleen, or the lungs, where it can cause the most dramatic effect. Even just a few coronaviruses can cause quite a critical situation. The lungs are lined up with billions of epithelial cells. These are the border cells of your body, lining your organs and mucosa, which are waiting to be infected. Corona connects to a specific receptor on its victim's membranes to inject its genetic material. The cell, ignorant of what's happening, executes new instructions, which are pretty simple: copy and reassemble. It fills up with more and more of the original virus until it reaches one final point and receives one final order: self-destruct. The cell sort of melts away, releasing new corona particles ready to attack more cells. The number of cells grows exponentially, getting more and more. After about 10 days, millions of body cells are infected. Billions of virus swarm the lungs. And then the corona releases a real beast on you and your immune system by creating a mechanism of self-destruct. As every problem has solution, this problem can also be treated like by the use of light beam. According to a study of Arizona State University, the virus when stricken by a light beam mutates and finally which leads to deterioration, and hence the virus decays and dies off. Virophages are minute double-stranded viral phages that require co-infection of another virus. Here are certain ways in which virophages affect a virus. The virophage enter a virus. The virophage have a parasitic relationship with the giant virus, which often leads to their deactivation. Thus, they improve the recovery chances of the host organism and hence can be helpful for the cure of many viral diseases. Genomics is an interdisciplinary field of biology relating to the genome or a DNA sequence of an organism. There has been lots of research on this subject. According to Human Genome Project, it is said that humans can evolve for such a situation by the use of CRISPR and DNA editing. We can possibly cure this disease. We all humans can possibly find a cure for this disease by applying the following ways.
I'm grateful to you all for watching this video, and I want you to please take care of yourself during these hard times.